Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. On this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to back up and restore your Minecraft worlds. So never lose your Minecraft progress again. Step 1, or part 1 basically, how to back up your Minecraft worlds. This is for Java Edition. So open up the Minecraft saves folder. Press the Windows R, like this one right here, and you're going to get this application. So type in here the following command, that will be a parenthesis, appdata, and basically click on enter. You're gonna see this one. Go to .minecraft if you have one. On my end, I do not have Minecraft here, so basically just look for that one and save the folder. So find your world. Each world has its own folder. The folder name matches your in-game world name. Example, my survival world. Copy the world folder, right-click to your folder, select copy, and paste it somewhere safe. For example, you can paste it on your desktop, an external drive, or Google Drive just to be safe. Part 2, how to restore your Minecraft world. Of course, you need to find your backup, go to the location where you save it, and make sure it includes a file like level.dat. And basically open it up. Same drill, the Windows R, AppData, Minecraft, and saves, paste and back it up. So if it asks to overwrite it, only do so if you're restoring the same world. Take note about that one. Next up, launch your Minecraft. Your restored world should be now visible and playable. So pro tips, name the backups with a date. This is pretty important. Use cloud storage or Google Drive for automatic syncing. Backup before trying new mods or major builds. Take note about that one. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.